Megamaster Nexgrill Style 3-Burner Propane Grill, Practical Backyard Pick. This 3-burner stainless propane grill, pages for Megamaster Nexgrill Style 3-burner models, advertises around 27K, 30K BTUs, folding side tables, a large cooking area in the 400+ square in range, and stainless control panels designed to look the part of a larger outdoor kitchen. Live pricing on the Amazon product page varies by seller and model option. Check the listing for the precise current price, but the value proposition is consistent. More cooking area than a compact tailgate grill, respectable heat output, and a feature set meant for small families and casual weekend hosting. If you want space to run several steaks and vegetables at once without spending 4 figures, these models are very tempting. We share by links in description box. Functionally, these grills sit in that sweet spot where size and price balance for home use. Cast or porcelain enameled grates retain heat well, side shelves let you stage plates, and the foldable elements reduce storage footprint. Reviewers commonly praise the cooking area and value, but call out that assembly can take time and that component fit/finish varies between units, so budget in an hour or 2 for building. Heat distribution is generally fine for burgers/sausages/chicken. For pros who chase perfect sear marks, you'll lean into preheat and heavier cast iron accessories. For a family grade, budget-friendly grill that doesn't feel toy cheap, these Megamaster Nexgrill Style 3 burners are solid picks. We share by links in description box.